Hi children, welcome to my class. Today's chapter is The Trail of Green Blazer, module number 2. Children, in module number 1 we learned that there is a pickpocket named Raju who was actually observing one of his preys for pickpocketing, and he was following him by 3 steps distance. And now we will come to know whether he will be able to steal his pocket and what will happen further. See children, the green blazer, the person who was wearing the green blazer was the father of a motherless child, and that is why he had taken a balloon for his small child. Now let's see what happens in the story further. 15 minutes later, Raju was examining the company. Raju got his chance when the green blazer passed through a narrow tile where the people were passing 4 at a time in order to see a wax model of Mahatma Gandhi reading a newspaper. Now there was one place where Mahatma Gandhi's statue was there reading a newspaper, and everybody was watching that, and at that time he got a chance and he stole the pocket. 15 minutes later, Raju was examining the contents of the purse. So Raju was successful in stealing the purse of the person with green blazer. He went away to a quiet spot behind a disused well. The purse contained 30 rupees in cash and a few annas in a nickel. Children, how much money did the purse contain? 30 rupees and a few annas. Children, how many annas make 1 rupee? 16 annas make 1 rupee. Okay. Raju tucked the annas at his waist. Must give them to some beggars. He reflected generously because he has gone some good 30 rupees. As I already told you that Raju was not bad at heart. So he realized that he himself has got some good 30 rupees and he can sell the annas to the beggar. He can give, not sell, he can give the annas to the beggar. Raju tucked the annas at his waist. Must give them to some beggars. He reflected generously. The 30 rupees he bundled into a knot at the end of his turban and wrapped it again round his head. It would see him through the rest of the month. He could lead a clean life for at least a fortnight and take his wife and children to a picture. So children, this is the story of very old story of very long time back when even 30 rupees. Today if you talk about 30 rupees, you'll buy one chocolate and 30 rupees would be over. But he is wanting, he will be able to take his children out, he would be able to take his wife for a movie. Now it was only left for him to fling the purse into the well, but he found a balloon folded and tucked away inside the purse. So what he used to do always, he used to take the contents of the purse and he used to throw the purse away. But what did he see right now? He saw the balloon. Oh, this he bought. He remembered the green blazer's talk about the motherless child. So now our pickpocket, Mr. Pickpocket is getting worried for the small motherless child. What a fool to keep this in purse, Raju reflected. It is carelessness of parents that makes young ones suffer, he said angrily. So he is now wondering that it was very careless for the father to keep it. Why did he keep it in the purse? He could have kept it in his pocket, so it would not have got stolen. So now he is thinking that because of this person with green blazer, his small child would suffer. For a moment, he paused over a picture of growling father returning home and his motherless one waiting at the door for the promised balloon, and this growling man feeling his purse. Oh, it was so painful. So now this Raju started imagining that this person will go, this petty person would go home and he would grumble. Then when the small child would ask for a balloon, he would not be finding it. So he felt little bit sorry for the small child. It was he was, as I told you already, that Raju was not bad at heart. He was not a mindless criminal. Raju went back to the bazaar and sidled up to the green blazer. The purse with the balloon tucked, it was in his palm. He would slip it back into the other's pocket. So he would slip the purse into another's pocket. Raju realized his mistake in a moment. The green blazer caught hold of his arm and cried, "Pickpocket!" The crowd turned to look at Raju. He cried, "Let me go." The green blazer shot out his arm and hit him on the cheek. It almost blinded him. For a fraction of a second, Raju lost his awareness, of where and even who he was. So now see children, when he stole the purse, at that time he was not caught. He was going to do something good about it. He was going to return the purse with the balloon. So now he has got caught by the person with the green blazer and he gave him he bet him. When the dark mist lifted, he was unable to regain his vision. The first figure he noticed was Green Blazer. So now this person, this Raju, he was, kind of, you feel giddy, when you get hit by someone. He lost all his conscious, and then when he came back to his conscious, he saw the Green Blazer. His arms were raised and ready to strike again. So his arms were raised and he was ready to strike again. Raju cowered at the sight. He said, "I was trying to put back your purse." The crowd roared with laughter. So Raju made a confession that I was trying to keep your purse back to your pocket. I was not stealing it, I was keeping it back. So the crowd over there, they started laughing at Raju. Even before the magistrate, now he has come in front of the magistrate. See children, when the people got caught by doing some criminal activity, they are put in the jail and a case goes on for the person. Raju kept saying, "I was only trying to put back the purse," and everyone laughed. It became a joke in the police world. Raju's wife came to see him in jail and said, "You have brought shame on us," and wept. So when he was in jail, his wife came to see him. Raju angrily replied, "Why? I was only trying to put it back." He served his term of 18 months and came back into the world, not quite sure what to do with himself. So now Raju was very skillful at being a pickpocket. Now he is wondering what he will do with his life, because when he was trying to do something good, he got caught and now he's been convicted for 18 months. He stayed in jail. So now children, we have to find out. Raju is wondering what to do with his life. Should he again take the profession of pickpocket, or what else he can do? What do you think children? Will he be able to do something else? Maybe yes or maybe no. Yes, so how did you like the story children? It was a tragic story, but we should make a note that Raju was a person good at heart. Thank you for listening. Take care.